How to fix Fall Guys missing files error on Epic Games Store. Let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix the Fall Guys missing files error on the Epic Games Store. If you have been encountering this issue, don't worry, it's a straightforward process to get back you into the game. So let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open up the Epic Games launcher and navigate to the Fall Guys game page. Right-click on the game or click on the three dots and select Manage. Here you will find the option to verify files. This tool will scan all the files in your Fall Guys installation and reacquire any missing or corrupted ones. It's a quick and simple fix that doesn't require you to re-download the entire game. Heading towards next solution, make sure you have enough storage on your computer. This might seem obvious, but it's essential. With all the updates and new games coming out, it's easy to overlook how much space you have left. Double-checking this can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Heading towards next solution, you have to enable auto-update. Ensure that auto-update is enabled for Fall Guys. Click on the three dots, you will get the option of auto-update. You have to toggle on for that option. Running an outdated version of the game can prevent you from accessing the servers, as all the players need to be on the same version. By enabling auto-update, you will always have the latest version ready to go without any manual intervention. If you have tried previous steps and still you are encountering the issue, it might be time to consider reinstalling Fall Guys. While this can be a bit tedious, especially if you have a slow internet connection, it's often a surefire way to fix not only missing file errors but also the other performance-related issues in the game. If you're still having problems after reinstalling, it could be due to a weak internet connection. Consider using a VPN or switching it to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes simply changing networks can make all the difference in acquiring the necessary data for running Fall Guys on the Epic Games Store. By following these steps, you can fix Fall Guys missing files error on Epic Games Store. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.